For non-inventory invoices received, they must be recorded via other invoices received in the admin page and they do not affect stocks. Note that inventory invoices/items are recorded via receive in the inventory page. Click Account. To enter/view non-inventory invoices for a day, enter only the from date and leave the to date empty. Scroll down and click Other Invoices Received. Specify the category of this invoice. These categories are managed via Add/Edit Expenses category in the admin page and are important for accounting statements. Select the vendor/supplier from this list. This list is managed via Add Vendors and ePay Merchants in the admin page. Specify the date of the invoice exactly as it is stated on the invoice. Specify by when this invoice should be paid following the credit term by the vendor/supplier. Enter the invoice number here, exactly as it appears on the invoice. Do not use anything other than invoice number here. Do not use due or PO numbers. The amount and total here will be automatically filled when the items in the invoice are entered below. The items in the invoice are entered line by line here. To add more lines, click plus. Enter the item in the invoice here. Specify the cost of this item. Enter subsequent item details in the subsequent lines. Note that the total will be automatically filled up here according to the items entered. Make sure the total is the same as in the invoice. Click Add/Edit to save this invoice. Saved invoice for the day will be listed like this. To show the items in this invoice, click Show Content. If any changes are required, edit accordingly and click Edit to save. To delete this invoice, click Del. The invoice image can be tagged to this invoice if captured via the Intel Sys Assist app. Images from the app will be listed in the media pool. Click Media to show the media pool. This is the media pool containing images received from Intel Sys Assist app. To tag the image to the invoice, click Select. Invoice with image tagged will be indicated with this image button. To view/delete the image, click this button. This is the image tagged to this invoice. To delete this image, click Delete. Invoice with no tagged image will be indicated with this semi-transparent image button. When only the from date is specified and to date is empty, the detailed invoices for that day will be listed and can be edited/deleted. When both from and to date are specified, the invoices are listed in read-only view. Click Other Invoices Received with both from and to dates filled. This is how the invoices are listed when both from and to dates are specified. To list the invoices within the day, click View. The invoices list for the day in read-only view. To edit/delete any of these invoices, click on the date here. You will be automatically brought to the day's invoice list where the invoices can be edited/deleted. Payments made for these invoices are recorded via vendor summary. Specify the period to list the invoices from. If a vendor is selected here before clicking vendor summary, only the invoices from the selected vendor will be listed. If no vendor is selected here, all invoices in the period will be listed. Click Vendor Summary. The invoices saved via Other Invoices Received will be listed here. To record a payment, click Pay. Enter the payment details and click Enter to save. By default, fully paid invoices are not shown. To list all invoices, click this icon. The fully paid invoices are now shown. To edit/delete the payment, click on the payment box. To edit, make the necessary changes and click Edit to save. To delete, click Delete. If you are making payment for multiple invoices at once, You do not have to enter the payment details separately for every invoice. Instead, click Multi-Pay to record payment for multiple invoices. The invoices will be listed here. To record a payment, specify the date here. Select the invoices this payment is made for. The amount is automatically filled when the invoices are selected. Specify the mode of payment. And click Enter to save this payment. Let's see how the paid invoices look like. Click this icon to list all fully paid invoices. The payments made via multi-pay are listed just like individual invoice payments. To edit/delete the payment details, click on the payment box. Payments made via multi-pay will be indicated with this bulk icon. Clicking this icon will bring you to the multi-pay box. In the multi-pay box, previous multi-invoice payments will be listed here at the bottom. Clicking the payment listed will bring to the payment box. Here the payment details can be edited or deleted. To delete all the payments made in this batch with multi-pay, click Delete All. That's it. You're done.